We've got a refrigerator. Compressor wasn't running at all. Diagnosed that it definitely needs the inverter. Got the new one here, old one's here, so we'll be replacing it. There's a Phillips screw right here that mounts to the compressor from the inverter. Got a little harness that hooks to the 3 prongs on the compressor. Pop that off. This can be difficult sometimes because you don't have a whole lot of room here to slide it in and out. Need a 1/4 inch to unscrew the ground. So basically we got 2 different harnesses that need to come undone, and then also ground wire up here. The one harness just kind of clips off, the other one you almost got to pry it out. Got the old one out. New inverter comes with an adapter. It looks like we're going to have to use it on this one. I just did the harnesses. I'm going to get the ground wire in here. Gotta get this back onto the compressor. And this could be some of the most difficult part here is getting the inverter mounted. And we should be all set. Plug it in, start it up.